Hi, I'm Teacher Lindsey, and today we're going to do the digraph sounds. When I put my hand like this, I want the sound. Ready? Ch, chick, ch, chick, ch, chair, ch, chair, beach, ch, beach, ch, witch, ch, witch, ch. So CH makes the ch sound. Next, sh, sh, sheep, sh, sheep, sh, shark, sh, shark, sh, shapes, sh, shapes, fish, sh, fish, sh. SH makes the sh sound. Sh. Next, to make this sound, put your tongue between your teeth and blow out. You try. Good. Thumb, thumb, bath, bath, tooth, tooth, moth, moth. TH sounds like th. Be careful, it's not th. Put your tongue between your teeth. And the last sound today is ung. Ung. King. Ung. King. Ung. Tongue. Ung. Tongue. Ung. Can you do this? What about this one? Okay, maybe some of you can do this one. Very hard. Ring. Ring. Wing. Wing. NG makes the sound. Well done! You learnt all of the digraph sounds for today. Now you can play a clap game if you like. Every time you hear the digraph sound, I want you to clap. Ready? Ch, ch, chick. Ch, ch, chick. Your turn. Ch, ch, chick. Ch, ch, chick. Let's try the next sound. Do you remember it? Shh. Shh, shh, sheep. Shh, shh, sheep. Your turn. Shh, shh, sheep. Shh, shh, sheep. Great job. Now we can play a quick game to practice that th sound some more. I've got 4 actions to show you. The first one is thumb. Thumb. The next one is tum. Tum. Thumb, tum. And 3. 3. And tree. Tree. When I say the word, I want you to do the correct action. For example, thumb. Yes, thumb. Tree. This? No, tree. How about tum? Tum. And 3. Yes, 3. Now let's go a bit faster. Tree. Thumb. Tum. Tree. Thumb. 3. Tree. Tum. 3. Tum. Thumb. Tree. Thumb. Did you get them? Oh, well done. You can play that game at home to practice the th sound. The Digraph poster is available on my website. Have fun practicing the Digraph sounds. Bye-bye.